Students, today we are going to discuss our English paper pattern. English is of 80 marks. Let's start with the section 1. Section 1 consists of question number 1A, that is language study. Language study is of 8 marks. It consists of questions like meaningful sentences, infinitive, punctuate, find the hidden words, spot the error, complete the word chain, and so on. Question number 1B is again a language study of 2 marks, which consists of questions like modal auxiliary, comparative superlative, present participles, and so on. Section 2 is question number 2A, that is scene passage. Any passage from the textbook will be given and related questions can be asked. Question 2B is again a scene passage of 10 marks. Again it consists of scene textual passages. Section 3 consists of question 3A, that is scene poem extract. Any poem from the textbook will be given and related questions can be asked. Question 3B is appreciation of poem. You all know any poem will be given and appreciation can be asked. That consists of 5 marks. Next is section 4. Section 4 consists of question 4A, that is unseen passage. Any passage which is not from the textbook can be asked and related questions can be asked. That consists of 10 marks. Question 4B is summary of unseen passage. That means any unseen passage which is given, from that they can tell you to make a summary. This consists of 5 marks. Section 5 is consisting of our writing skills. You can see question number 5, that is letter writing. Letter writing, they can give you formal or informal. You have to write any one for 5 marks. Question number 6A is information transfer. It can be non-verbal to verbal or verbal to non-verbal. You can write any one of your choice and that consists of 5 marks. Again you can see question number 6B is a views and counter views, or you can write speech writing. You can attempt any one and that consists of 5 marks. Next is section 6. This is question number 7A, that is expand the theme. They will give you any theme, you have to write an expansion of that. They can give you proverbs, they can give you maxims. Maxims, for example, action speaks louder than word. From day to day, related proverbs. Next is quotations, slogans. So they can give you anything and you can make a choice and write any one and that consists of 5 marks. Or you can write a report writing. Then comes question number 7B, developing a story. A story's outline will be given and you have to write a story based on that. Or you can write and narrating an experience. That means they will give you the beginning of the story and the ending of the story. You can make a story on that and that consists 5 marks. So overall you can see English paper is of 80 marks. There will be an internal evaluation of 20 marks. Students, that is our oral exam. That is oral consists of 10 marks and assignment consists of 10 marks. So overall you can see it is 20 marks. So your students, you can see if you go thorough with your grammar, you can score more than 20 to 25 marks. If you are very good with your vocabulary, you can again score very good marks. If you are very thorough with your writing skills, you can score mark. Read as much as you can read additional apart from your textbooks, so that your general knowledge and your knowledge on current topics are good. So you can write a very good paper if you wish. So be familiar with your lessons in the textbook, your prose, your poetry, and you can write any answers based on the scene extracts. Solve all the questions given to y'all. Try to complete your paper within 3 hours and you can see you can write a very good paper. Brush up with your grammar. Thank you, students.